Hello friends, it's Hi-Fi Trainer. In this video, we're going to learn about the Vortex indicator. But before we go into the video, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. I've made a few videos on trading and I'll be making even more videos, so please subscribe. In this video, we're going to learn what the Vortex indicator is and how we can use it to enhance our trading system and improve our trading. Friends, many traders use this indicator for intraday. So in this video, we'll learn how to use Vortex indicator in intraday trading. I'm going to make a continuation to this video where we'll learn about how to use Vortex for scalping. So if you are a scalper or want to learn scalping with Vortex, then make sure to stay tuned to watch that video. Vortex is one of my best intraday indicators. It's easy to use and also extremely profitable if you know how to use it. The problem with this indicator, just like any other indicator, is that it's not perfect. So we should look at other factors such as other indicators to increase the accuracy of our trade. After we learn about this strategy, please test it in a paper account and let me know your results in the comments box. Vortex is used to identify the start of a new trend or continuation of an existing trend. There are two lines in the Vortex indicator. One of the lines is called Vortex Positive or Positive VI, which is the uptrend line, and the other is called Vortex Negative or Negative VI, which is the downtrend line. When the Vortex Positive crosses over Vortex Negative, then it is a buy signal, and when Vortex Negative crosses over Vortex Positive, then it's a sell signal. So friends, as you can see, we have Vortex on our chart, but imagine we didn't. So let me just delete this. So how are you going to add Vortex to your chart? Just go to the indicators tab of your broker and then type in Vortex and then click on here. So it says Vortex indicator. And here, as you can see, Vortex is added to your chart. Friends, generally I keep my negative Vortex red and my positive Vortex green. So to change the colors, go to your settings tab. Then click on style, and here you can see VI positive. Put that as green. I'll make it a bit more thick. And VI negative, put that as red. And I'll make it a bit thicker as well. So friends, as you can see, the colors of the two lines got changed. Friends, this is Microsoft's 15-minute chart. So the crossover took place at 10th of August at 2:30. So if you go to a shorter time frame and if there's a crossover at this point of time, then we can take a short trade. So friends, if we take a look at 10th of August at 2:30, there was a crossover which took place. So the red line is above the green line. So we can take a short position here. So friends, if we took a short position over here, where would we buy back? We'd buy back when there's a positive crossover, which happened over here. So therefore, when we buy it back over here, how much profit are we going to get? We're going to get about 0.91% in profits. This is Hero Motoka's 15-minute chart. Take a look here. There's a negative crossover at 22nd July 4:45. So let's go into a shorter time frame and see if there was a negative crossover there. This is Hero Motoka's 5-minute chart, and if you take a look here, this is 22nd July 4:45. So the red line is about the green line. So if we were to take a short position over here, we would buy back over here. So how much profit are we going to get on that trade? Let's see. On that trade, we're going to get almost 0.9%. This is Hindu Universe 15-minute chart. If you see over here on 10th of July 4:45, there's a positive crossover. So now let's look at it on a shorter time frame. So friends, look over here. The green line is above the red line, which means it's positive. So we can take a buy trade over here. And then look how the price increased. We would have to sell right here because there's a negative crossover. So let's see how much profit we would get on this trade. So we sell over here. We'd get 0.63% in profits on this trade. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be making a part 2 for this video soon, in which the whole video is about how to use Vortex for scalping. So if you're a scalper or want to learn scalping using Vortex, then please make sure to stay tuned to watch that part. If you like this video and like the trading related content that I'm sharing, then please subscribe.